In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page borders in Microsoft Word. If you've ever opened a document and seen a decorative or solid line framing every page, that's a page border. They can be useful for flyers or certificates, but when you don't need them, they can get in the way. I'll walk you through exactly how to remove them cleanly, and I'll explain a few options so you get the result you want across your entire document or just parts of it. Start by opening your document in Word and making sure you're in the correct file. Look to the top of the window for the ribbon and click the Design tab. This tab controls overall styling and page-level settings, and it's where page borders live. On the right side of the Design tab, find the Page Background group. Inside that group, click Page Borders. This opens the Borders and Shading dialog box. This is the control center for both borders and shading, but we're going to focus specifically on page borders. At the top of the dialog, select the Page Border tab if it isn't already active. You'll see a setting area on the left with options like Box, Shadow, 3D, Custom, and None. Choose None. This tells Word that you don't want any border applied around your pages. Before you confirm, look for the Apply to drop-down at the bottom right of the dialog. This is important. If you want to remove the border everywhere, choose Whole Document. If your file is divided into sections and you only want to affect the current section, choose this section. If you only need to remove a border from specific pages, set up sections so those pages are isolated, then choose the Relevant Section option. Choosing the right scope ensures you don't accidentally change areas you still want to keep styled. Once you've set Apply to the way you want, click OK. Your page border should disappear immediately based on your selection. Scroll through your document to confirm the change. Switching to Print Layout or Print Preview can help you double-check that no borders remain. If you still see a border on some pages, the document may contain multiple sections with different border settings. Repeat the same steps in those sections or switch. Apply to Back to Whole Document. And if what you're seeing is a line around just a paragraph rather than the entire page, that's a paragraph border, which is a different feature. When you're satisfied, save your document so the change sticks. That's all it takes to remove page borders quickly and confidently in Word.